Alright, so we just arrived in Victoria, which is one of the largest cities on Gozo. And I'm just going to explore the city. And then in like an hour or two I'm going back to the harbor. Because I'm taking the boat back from there around 6:15.
After arriving in Victoria and relaxing in the park, I grabbed some lunch at McDonald's. From here I wanted to visit the Cathedral of Assumptions, which is a beautiful building from the year 1711. But I had my drone with me and I didn't flew in Malta yet, and I saw this beautiful place. So I decided, why not? And I had to walk 10 minutes from the cathedral over the main road. And from there a few more minutes uphill.
Okay, it's 37 degrees and it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and I decided to climb up here. And here's the warning sign that there is fire inside. But what I'm going to climb is it's this huge mountain in the middle of Victoria, and I just saw it and I had to walk 10 minutes to get there. So why not climb it, right? I mean, you only live once. But this might be my last day. Oh my god, it's so hot in Malta. If you ever go here, make sure to bring extra sunblock. Bring a lot of water. So it looks like a huge fire broke out in that city. Hope the people are okay. There's a plane coming. Oh my, look at this, guys. Hope all the people are okay. I just made it to the top where the flag is, and I was just over there like 50 minutes, 20 minutes ago. But I don't know what they did here. It looks like they had a party or something. I have no clue. This thing. Somebody needs a fridge. So I want to go to the flag, but yeah, there's nothing here. Oh my god, I didn't expect this to be here.
So in the next video we will go from Valletta to Slima, which is a more modern city just north of it.
Thanks so much for watching the video. If you want to follow me around the world, please make sure you subscribe. And also give it a thumbs up, because it motivates me to make more videos.